Good morning all, I am Nandhini, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today we are going to see a topic in physical design of an IoT. What is known as a physical design of an IoT? The things in IoT usually refers to IoT devices which have unique identifiers and can be performed in remote sensing, actuators and motion capabilities. IoT designs can exchange data with other connected devices and application, which is known as it is either directly connected or indirectly collected. At the time of it, collection of data from other devices and process the data locally or send the data to a centralized server, which consists of a cloud-based application backend for processing the data. And IoT devices may consist of inferences of several both devices and wired devices and wireless devices. In the given general block diagram of an IoT devices, let us see an connectivity consists of an USB host, RJ45 Ethernet, and processor consists of CPU. Audio or video interfaces consist of HDMI cable, 3.5 mm audio, RCA video. In the memory interfaces, we have NAND and NOR gate, DDR1, DDR2 and DDR3 devices. Graphical consist of CPU. Storage interfaces consist of SD card, MMC, SDIO, etc. This diagram is again combined with an input of interfaces from sensors, actuators, etc., which has UART, SPI, I2C and CAN. These are being interconnected block diagram. In this, IoT protocol links in an application layer, HTTP, COAP, WebSockets, MQTT, XMPP, DTS, AMQP are being used. In a transport layer, TCP, UDP is being used. In network layer, Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6 is being used. It consists of 6 LOW PAN. In a LinkedIn layers consists of 802.3 which is an Ethernet, 802.11 it consists of Wi-Fi, 802.6 it consists of WiMAX, 802.15.4 consists of LRWPAN which consists of 2G, 3G and 4G. Network or internet layer IPv4, IPv6, 6LOWPAN, transport layer TCP, UDP, the application layer HTTP, COAP, WebSocket, MQTT, XMPP, TDS and AMQP are being used worldwide. The IoT protocol linked in layers, IEEE 802.3 Ethernet is a wired standard, 802.3 consists of 10 base 5, 802.3i consists of 10 base twist pair, 802.3j consists of 10 base fiber. The connection 802.3 AE, 10 gigabyte Ethernet is fiber connector, data rate 10 Mbps to 40 Mbps, 802.11 Wi-Fi. It consists of LAN, wide LAN local area network. It consists of 802.11a, 5G HZ, 802.11b, 802.11g, 2.4 bar 5 GHz, 802.11n, 2.4 bar 5 GHT, and 1 Mbps to 6.75 GPS. 802.16 WiMAX wireless broadband. Worldwide interoperability for micro-wire access Wi-Fi MAN, 1.5 Mbps to 1 Gbps, 802.16.1a, 802.16.1b, WPAN low rate WAN, 40 kbps to 250 kbps, suitable for low cost row rate. 2 GB, 3 GB and 4 GB mobile communication consists of 2G GSM, CDMA, 9.6 kbps to 384 kbps, 3G consists of 2 Mbps, UMTS and CDMA 2000. 4G consists of LTE 100 Mbps, used throughout the cellular networks. The network internet layer consists of the network layers are responsible for sending of IP databases, secure networks and destination networks, low address space, etc. And the transport layer protocol provides end-to-end message transfer capability depending on the underlying networks. TCP layer consists of connection-oriented, reliable order of delivery, retransmission, duplicate avoidance. In an application layer, uses a web browser. HTTP uses a web as a web browser. COAP is a constrained application protocol used in machine-to-machine communication. WebSocket consists of duplex communication over a single socket of connections, sending message between use a TCP, MQTT message queuing, Telegram transport message protocol based on public secured models, and XMPP consists of external messaging and presence protocol. DDS consists of data distributed system for device to machine communication. AMQP advanced machine queuing protocols are being used. Thank you so much for the video.